Hi, we're here today. I'd like to talk to you about moisture resistant and mold resistant drywalls or walls. So as you've seen me in the past, some washrooms that I do, I chose a mold resistant drywall and I drywall the entire room. Now that is kind of minimum standard. Minimum standard is actually just using that backer board in the shower area and finishing the drywall off everywhere else, but I like to just step it up that one step higher where I'm doing the full washroom in the mold resistant board. Now when you're doing something like a steam shower like what I've got behind me here, you are not going to be able just to use a mold resistant board. You need a membrane or something between there that will keep the moisture from getting in behind. So what I want to do is just chat with you a little bit about this topic to bring to your attention that when you're doing some of these different products that you must make sure that you're using the right type of moisture resistant board behind your tile to ensure that your shower never gets mold in behind it. So just something to think about. Moist areas are a lot different than areas that are in a house that are like a bedroom with really good ventilation, things like that. So you must do your research on your products. Like I said, bare minimum behind a shower wall is a mold resistant drywall. Then you can go from there. There's roll-on membranes that you can go right on top of the mold resistant drywall. That's next step up. Then there is full-on wall boards with membranes already attached to them and you're just siliconing joints together or putting patch flaps over the joints to get ready for your tiling. There's numerous systems. So do your research, find yourself a mold resistant or waterproofing system that you're comfortable with, and then carry on with your project.